The Ferrari 296 GT3 Evo is pure race car theater, and for a vlog audience that loves precision and pageantry, it's an irresistible subject. Open with visceral language about the car's racing purpose, this is Maranello engineered onto slicks, built to fight in GT3 and LMGT3 classes, and honed for endurance. The Evo iteration sharpens aero, durability and adjustability, changes that matter a lot to teams and pro-EM drivers chasing podiums. Use footage of the wing, splitter, and race spec internals to sell the drama. What's new on the 296 GT3 Evo is focused, technical and custom-oriented. Ferrari addressed real-world race feedback, the rear wing and mounting for easier in-paddock adjustments, revised door mirrors to reduce vulnerability in contact, and aero updates to make the car less sensitive to setup extremes. Those improvements are not about street flair, they're about lap time consistency and reliability over long stints at endurance races. That's golden content for vlogs that explain why components are shaped and mounted the way they are. Underneath sits the racing version of Ferrari's compact 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6, 2,992 cubic centimeters in GT3 spec. In race tune, it's quoted around the 600 horsepower mark paired to a sequential race gearbox. The 120 degrees V-angle packaging keeps the center of gravity low and the mass compact, crucial for race balance. Remember to explain to viewers why a racer uses turbos inside the V packaging and thermal benefits. That small technical asides builds authority and keeps the audience engaged. Interior and exterior are entirely race-centric. The cabin is a stripped, safety-compliant tub with roll cage, racing seat, and controls laid out for fast driver changes and serviceability. Exterior panels are functional composites tuned for quick replacement and airflow management. The livery, wing profile, and splitter are all tools for managing downforce and balance. As for pricing and availability, GT3 races buy through Ferrari Competizione GT channels. Exact customer pricing is bespoke and depends on customer specs, support packages, and homologation details. Rivals in GT3 competition remain the Porsche 911 GT3R, Mercedes-AMG GT3, and the Aston Martin Vantage GT3, and new LMGT3 entries. For a vlog closer, emphasize the Evo's mission to make customer teams faster and more reliable over a race season. That's the story fans and prospective privateer teams want to hear. Finish with a call to action. Invite comments on which race series viewers would like to see the 296 GT3 Evo headline.